Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to remove factory radio from Buick LaCrosse. So this is the factory radio looks like, and I'm going to remove this one from this car, and I'm going to put a double din over here. And to see how did I install the double din, you could check my next video. First you need to remove this one, then this one, then the top one, then I'm going to remove the radio. So I recommend use this kind of tool to remove this one, avoiding scratch. So first, this is actually very easy to remove. Put this one here. There you go. And then just pull. Come on. So now you need to remove these two screws here. So let's remove that one. Or and then another one. Now pop this one up. This one. Okay. Then coming up. Then could remove the wire, but you could leave it like this. Up to you. And then now I'm going to remove this one. So remove this one. I'm going to use here. And another one. This is very simple to work with. There you go. And there is two connector. You could remove this one. Just gonna use simple screwdriver. Make it come out. And this one could do the same thing. Just slightly. Okay. Come on. Then this is why I need to open this one first, then that one, because there is a 4 screw was hiding. Now just remove the 4 screw, and radio would be come out easily. Just pull a little bit towards to you, and there is connector. This is the antenna connector. Remove that one. There's a press and pull, and this one is the same thing, press and pull. There you go. So radio come out. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.